What's up, guys? Q&A with Travis Brady here. We got a message from Ken. What's up, Ken? So Ken has put out some posts on Facebook. He's gotten a little backlash by friends and family and someone that he thought was a longtime friend, right? I get it. It's hurtful, right? And so he said, what advice would you have for people that are afraid of getting judged? It's a good question, Ken. So let's explore this. So let's go right to it. Yes, you're going to get judged. There's no way around it, my man. You're going to get judged. Now let's talk about why we get judged. Okay? We're leaders. We're influencers. Every single leader is in front of the light. Right? They're in front of people. Of course that people are going to talk about them. Of course people are going to snicker or whatever else. However, it's in the way you begin it. So there is a lover within us. There is a wizard within us. There is a warrior and there's a king. Okay? And kings are the leaders, right? And there's two different shadows of the king, of the leader. And so there's one shadow that says everyone should bow down before me and do what I say. Okay, and the other one is more like a prince, okay? They don't feel like they have to work. They don't feel like they need to do anything. They just feel like everything should be given. Now, a true king, a true leader, is not about themselves. They don't believe that they're better than anyone else. They don't believe that they have to do anything less than everyone else. They are focused on how do I help people. Okay, so the philosophy of your posts, I would really look at them. Are they about you or are they about people? How many I's are you using? Is it I'm, or is it we, or is it you? Okay, you want to start using more yous. And the reason why is because the reason why you're a leader is to help people. And so when you're talking about people and it's light, it's love, it's to help them, it's to serve them, and they're so focused on themselves and you make them feel so good about themselves, they don't have a chance to even think about you. They don't have a chance to judge you. They don't have a chance to talk bad on you. Okay, will they? They will. Okay, they always will. You can't avoid it. However, what's more important to you? What's more important to you, Ken? Your haters or your fans? Just saying. Okay, some of us are so worried about our haters that we let our haters scare us off and run with our tail in between our legs, and then we wonder why we're not impacting anybody in our world. Okay, you have to make it about people and serving people. The more you focus on your haters, the more you focus on the people that you don't like, you're literally attracting them into your life. Okay, because you're playing scared. You're playing like a wuss. Okay, you're playing low level. Okay, own your influence. Own that you want to help people. Make it about people and use more yous. Use more yous. Ken, the world needs you. Get out there, my man.